What is up, you guys? KB Outdoors here. Is day 2 of Dale Hollow Lake. We're going out fishing right now at 6 o'clock. And yeah, so let's get day 2 started.
I bet there's something right up bush. I got one. Came up to the boat.
Another small bass.
Came up right to the boat and I was getting ready to pull it in.
Oh no, that color.
What color?
Be careful.
Blue.
Dark blue.
That's a spotted.
Is that spotted?
I think.
Is it small? I thought the mouth
Dude,
looked
get your
small.
thumb in its mouth.
Mom.
No, you can't because he's got hooks in his side.
Yeah.
I thought the mouth looked kind of small on him.
What's that?
Ooh, I foul hooked him.
I said the mouth looked kind of small. It's a spotted bass.
Good job, dude.
I did.
You didn't even know you had it.
No.
Well, no, because you hit it at the boat.
Just pulling down on it.
His mouth looks pretty small. That's a spotted. It's dark on the. That means it's Kentucky spotted. If the tongue's
Way back in there and bring him in front.
There he is.
yeah,
Told you.
small one, but
Small one. Hey,
They
you
like
almost
the
tied
blue.
with-
They like the blue.
You almost tied with me.
there we go. Look at a scar on him.
He hit it too. See how it's in his mouth? Blue is the color. Blue or red? Red will work too.
Yeah, I got red right there.
Dad, all you need
Can
is
you believe it? All that activity I made in that bush, and he friggin'
Scar.
That's a smallmouth, isn't it?
who decided
No.
color. No.
Weird looking. He's been hooked before. too.
Smallmouths are way browner. Look at the other side of his body. It's weird. Other side.
Right there.
Yeah.
Got bit by a turtle.
Mhm.
Give me the pliers. I don't know what all that is.
That's called poop. He was pooping as he was trying to.
Tall, smallie.
Oh, it's got one.
Yeah, what do I do?
We're just real.
Well, I didn't.
Oh, he's big too.
Keep him down.
Bigger.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Oh, you're gonna lose. Just keep let him swim.
Okay.
Bring him
Spotted. You can tell by the way he's fighting.
over. You're all right. You're all right. Keep him
Keep him
down.
down,
Pull
keep
him down.
All right, now
Bring him back.
bring him back up.
What'd you get him on that lizard?
Yeah.
Nice, Mom.
He's nice.
He's pretty nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's about.
He ate that tail.
Honey, the tail came off.
Yep, I told you to keep him out. That's a nice one.
You want a picture?
Yeah, you.
With you.
Good job.
Look at that.
Black with the. Where's the
The blue tail.
thing at,
You
dude?
want to take a picture or
Right.
are we good?
What thing?
Where's it right? Where is the?
The tablet's right there.
Good job. Good job. You hit it hard?
I thought I was on the bottom and then I thought I was coming over something and I felt it
Nice
take
one.
it.
This one.
Did
Oh.
I get you?
Almost. He saw it.
Thought you were down there and you were coming up. Good job.
Yeah, because this camera's like really.
He's warm.
What, Corey?
The camera's like really close. It's like
Take good picture.
long wheel. This
I'm
one.
trying to fix it.
This one.
Bud.
There's one. He's big. On the lizard. He's big.
Whoa.
Guy. Oh, where's he going? No, he's not a
It's
giant.
huge.
Hey, it's huge, guys.
Alright,
Thought
nice.
he was, man. He was fighting. You might get a lizard on.
Okay. I'm putting that on.
Whose bright idea was that?
Oh, shit. Get him. I want to pick him.
What you want, dude?
I'm getting a.
We're going to catch a
Here.
big one. Yep, we're getting it. We're figuring it out.
It's in here, Corey. Yep. Sorry.
Small now. As soon as I hit that tree a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to catch a 5 pounder.
No, I am.
I wish you wouldn't stand on that thing. You just stand, walk on
Watch your pool.
it. Good. That guy. He was a fight. Can you imagine?
What a fish!
Yeah, I see it. A little tiny bass. A big one?
No, but it was as soon as I threw it in there, throw it back in there. There's stuff on there. I'm like, there might be something on there, and bam. 16 feet. There's fish on there. Do you? I have, because I didn't fix my.
Oh, I got him. He's big. Oh, he's big, boy. He might be a small one. Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah! What'd I say?
Good job, Cor.
I got something on there.
Get him, get him, get him.
No. I'm on the tree, but it feels like there's something on there.
Oh, you're stuck?
Yeah, but it keeps moving a little bit. Here, let me take a.
Go over there and you're gonna ruin. There's fish stacked on.
No, if you go like on the other side of it, like go around. There's fish on there.
Get it on the GoPro?
Yeah, I got it on your bro. Is it on?
A nice one.
Mm-hmm.
That's the biggest one so far. He took it. I thought he was gonna be a big smallmouth.
Let me set this down real quick. I get a good picture. Here, let me get a good picture. He moves everything. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, get that?
Yeah. There it is.
The big ones
They're
are
over here.
scared.
Because of this grab. Oh, look. He was coming after that lizard. Did you see him? I think there's a lot of gar over here.